Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo last week Ghana celebrities fix the country NDC for a demonstration. Obibeka say why NDC for because concerned citizens omoye demonstration no. Make us say NDC for because NDC members ni bi na yehu omo demonstration na say which I didn't see any NPP member and I say NPP members demonstration na say nti na make us say NDC for omo supported demonstration no na ebusuafo demonstration no botaya na esi omo enu so nyina le say omo ko Jubilee House no mo akosake His Excellency na Adodankwa Akufo-Addo na ne mpanifo ne omo ye adwuma afri ho aden omo kosake His Excellency no mo de oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama kotena ho ana se den ebusuafo ene de yentimi enkire omo akasa na omo ebekire a wato ne di #OccupyJulubi na sa demonstration ya ekosi ene Felix Apia ena Ghana fu bi etia brochiri omo abekire omo adwen a omo ekire se celebrities amokoya demonstration no enjomtufu wo sinitwafo wo na muntwa mwani enkohwe abra oman pani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eye president no Dumsor nti na munya kwan munya nimpo ena mu atwa ndwuma atom Dumsor nti munya ni ena mu atwa sini na Ghana fo mpo yenye bi ahwe music industry movie industry ni na collapse and His Excellency na Adodankwa Akufo-Addo aba o the light gina so munya adwuma ye mu behwe na mu aye mu adwuma no mu ye demonstration na sana mote na demonstration is a din ne senya occupying the Jubilee House na Ghana ha no me no demonstration e wo constitution ni mu se Ghana ni bebia o right se wo demonstration o demonstrate e kire wadwe na demonstration ni bi wo ho no ma na emu ye hu demonstration de kamugina egwa so bukura mon placards a church so e catch aban ni se mo abisade ni oye mamo na se Jubilee House amoko occupy no for what reason amafu bibo yeshe ebusuafo yenti ensema Felix Apia na Ghana fo bia wa brochiri omode atidwa
okotena ho light maaye wentumi anye adwuma ekomodew obu afu cause o say sika kakra wo ho no na ade betena baba wo say ankasebe light ne beba no wanya nipa ba ko bi po atwa no no didn't get you angry. Owa wa shop na so nya sebe nyam kanea emfa nya adwuma mfa nhwe wabusua no eno na ma obu amfu enne ya kanea sisu asenya jimie na ya so wabetena obaye obi adwuma ma no akogi sika kese yakodi na ya ma mu 50-50 Ghana anka wo hye wadwuma mu ye wadwuma papa bia wo megina sa area we mu ya say ya pono se wan se wono de se ankobekwa akwa sa demonstration we no obaye den ankobekwa akoka benku de adan because ye wia omu wia sankrofo ya and one more say politicians na ho come and support my project, come and do this and yes can bia na omu wia ma omo no Yvonne Nelson all launching the book politicians and ko yan komaniska ye boys here omu ye movie ni ade no omu launch omu movies a omu mfre politicians no omu mba first no na kane akura ode be movie na bi ni wo na wa launch e no na ma obu amfu am command o. You guys are hypocrites. Monkoso nye NDC bede ne maomo. As if say NDC ba. We are seeing na ebeboto. Na bibia ba be yekam. We are here. We want to see. Alright. Or say the buck stops maybe a year you because you know in loving memory. No the Gina Club. Enti wabua wo say wo ko sabe. Now I call perform no entertainment organizer and catch us say light in buy you into program near term. You know the money you lost. Do you know the money you lost and the production that the country lost, the productivity that the country lost from our creative industry? One more movies no, one more na maybe. Mokra mo de na air more because more no use powerful lights, high beam lights. Mu use high beam lights. So it's a lot of power. Utie, it's a lot of power that get consumed. Enunti Obi be kwa renti hotel. Wa kofa ne props, ne makeup for, ne hair for, costume. Dear woman in a begu hotel where you be adwuma. Director to ne car ba ye traffic into ye late kakra. Director bedu hotel wa ye dum no, light ne dum. Enti sa da no. Artist of wo fa wo mo actress say one for a kana be ye ka went to me anye production no. Na wabra be 3 months dey atwa movie ba ko awie ni kwaku man wey wo dey akoma big ojo yi oji no ne ade se wo mo ye den wo mo edit maw edit no so ye the electricity e na ye se mu wi free sell electricity ne ye dey edit na me ka kire mu sell electricity 2016 light ye ni won kurant ye ntumi kura hu ba bi kura na ye di pins ahye utie enu nti edit na ese sanke take be a 3 weeks no na take be 2 months because of erratic power. Or say, our industry is just as reliable on electricity as the food industry. So, and so on. One Love, Kubolo-san say, the Dumsor has already affected we the people in the creative industry in many ways. A lot of projects could not go on. We keep postponing our recordings because the lights off. Some studios which record and mix daily are not able to make their money anymore because most of these studios cannot mix or record with generators and the noise it creates. One Love told News One. Me pacho ena yetiwe obi akoso okotwa ne movie okọ ya ma omadum light. And I yet way will be a cose while record the name am ya catch any say there be. Nanso under this same Mahama. Moya dear. We na me dibi mpacho sister Diana obi to me day. We na to 15th May 2015. Yankwe. This is my last year piece of a year me dey 8 surprising consequences of Ghana's outages. Muntie. It's funny. Ghana has experienced power outages for the last 3 years, making them the longest the country is. This is police brutality. Did you see any of that at this stupid thing you people went to? No, you got arrested. You are crying foul. People lost their lives. 5 people died. 5 people died. We had Kudolo to come and tell us that the police is not sorry. Now, don't let me even lose a Mwankasa, mo One Love, me ba I do so say na me mpe. Ba nsa. Ebi no mo ho kwan na ye use energy crisis is tormenting creative industry. One Love, Kubolo. Say munim no, dey ya na na igbo form no. 2015 and okan sa asem we. February 5th, 2015 and okan sa asem we. Na ye ntie nsem ni bi o se den. Outspoken Ghanaian musician One Love, the Kubolo, has lamented that the worsening situation of the energy crisis in Ghana is having an adverse impact on the country's creative arts. Yo, yeah, that's One Love. Sometimes no, the Amokan yenu the ene twaso, we ne betwaso. One more no asem, and no more betina no mu yedede no. According to One Love, a lot of musicians like Kevin Boy, like Stone Boy, like Sarkodie, like Shatawale, like Efia Odo, all those who claim they are artists, postpone their recording sessions and projects. Mebuku sa me ko kill beat to akwa recordo. Mafaka efrin kraya ko duru tema committee 2. Na me ko kill beat to akwa ye adwuma. Me duruwa kill beat say yedum light wonu su ni generator. Sika me sabe nankanu na me di be didi o me di afaka de aba ya senior postponed me recording enu nti sometime no say ya po no be ye enwom a say popski ni be ye enwom a be ye 3 days na wo wie enwom ba ko arewu sema wo me say Ghana engineers no so no wa record we wie no yes be the mixing and mastering wo kan oh da be no me ba be mix no tale light mba you da be no me ba be mix no light mba you. Enti anyumu ana esesanka o release no untumi release. This is where John Dramani Mahama left you fools. You creative art entertainment fools. Yedium, Jimmy for entertainment for Ghana celebrities, Krodo so, or Man Pele, where Benia, for Jimmy for. Na John Dramani Mahama, wa mamun to me po and recordo. Me who go be a me penna sempa, ACB, or ye comedy be. Confa picture back in 2016 and Mahama wohono. Na and da ye see your man wired in the last to was a web company, Oton Brodo. I was so ashamed, say, you didn't even read the merit of the case, all of you.